Hello, this is a video for how to use the thermostats in Building A, rooms 101 through 218. These thermostats are a touch screen thermostat, so touch the screen, and from there you'll see your different options. Mode will cycle you through the heating options, heating, cooling, fan only, auto, and off. Auto mode has a 3-degree swing plus or minus of the set temperature. Plus and minus will set the in-room temperature. The big bold is the temperature of the room. Fan will move your fan speed up or down or to auto. And vane will move the vanes to direct the air in whatever direction you would like. We use the high mode to circulate air through the rooms more efficiently.